How to detoxify lungs. Top 12 foods to detox and cleanse mucus from your lungs. Keeping our lungs healthy is crucial for our overall well-being. Unfortunately, factors like smoking, pollution, and a poor diet can have a negative impact on these vital organs. In fact, these unhealthy habits can lead to serious lung conditions like COPD, asthma, and pulmonary fibrosis. The good news is that by making simple lifestyle changes, such as incorporating nutrient-rich foods into our diet, we can protect our lungs and even improve their function. Today, we will discuss 12 foods that are known to detoxify the lungs and keep them healthy. Just a quick reminder, this video is intended solely for educational purposes. If you have any medical conditions, please consult with your doctor. Now, let's get started. 1. Ginger. Ginger is celebrated for its extensive use in culinary and medicinal contexts, offering significant benefits for lung health. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties are especially beneficial in aiding bronchodilation, which can greatly alleviate breathing difficulties commonly experienced by asthmatic individuals. Furthermore, ginger is renowned for its ability to assist in mucus expulsion, primarily through its capability to break down and clear mucus from the respiratory tract. Incorporating ginger into one's diet can thus be a strategic move towards maintaining healthy lung function and ensuring a smoother respiratory process. 2. Green tea. Green tea stands out for its remarkable health benefits, especially concerning lung health. It is rich in a type of catechin known as epigallocatechin galat, EGCG, which is highly acclaimed for its potent antioxidant properties. This compound plays a crucial role in fighting inflammation within the body, including the lungs. The anti-inflammatory effects of green tea are particularly noteworthy for individuals dealing with or at risk of lung fibrosis, a condition characterized by the scarring of lung tissue which can significantly impair lung function. Research has shown that EGCG might be instrumental in treating pulmonary fibrosis by reducing inflammation and potentially hindering the progression of tissue scarring. Making green tea a regular part of your diet could thus offer a protective measure against this and other lung-related conditions, leveraging its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities to maintain and support lung health. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful food with a rich history of use for both culinary and medicinal purposes, offering substantial benefits for lung health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable ally in combating respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Moreover, garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on lung health, including potential protective effects against lung cancer. Recent studies have illuminated garlic's role as a chemopreventive agent, indicating its capability to inhibit or reverse cancer development. This is particularly significant for lung cancer patients, as garlic's components may contribute to reducing the risk of this disease or aiding in its management. By integrating garlic into your diet, either raw or cooked, you can harness its health-promoting properties to support your respiratory system and enhance your body's defenses against various lung conditions. Before we go to the next food, we want to remind you to hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. 4. Honey. Honey, revered for its sweet taste and natural origins, serves as a powerful ally in the quest for respiratory health. Its potent antibacterial properties are instrumental in mitigating respiratory issues, making it a staple for those seeking to detoxify their lungs. The magic lies in its ability to soothe and clear the airways, providing a natural pathway to improved lung function. Incorporating a spoonful of honey into a warm glass of water can act as a simple yet effective method for lung cleansing. Beyond its detoxifying capabilities, honey also offers relief from common ailments, such as colds and coughs, thanks to its soothing properties. This natural sweetener not only enhances the flavor of your beverages, but also imbues them with health-promoting qualities, making it an essential component of a lung-cleansing diet. 5. Cocoa. Cocoa, the key ingredient in your beloved dark chocolate, serves more than just to satisfy your sweet tooth. It offers notable health benefits for the lungs. Packed with antioxidants, cocoa aids in combating the oxidative stress that can harm lung tissues. Moreover, it contains theobromine, a compound that has a special role in respiratory health. Theobromine helps to relax the smooth muscles of the bronchi and the lungs, making it easier to breathe and helping to alleviate symptoms of asthma and other respiratory conditions. This effect can lead to improved airflow and a reduction in the discomfort associated with restricted breathing. Additionally, the presence of flavonoids in cocoa has been linked to anti-inflammatory effects, which further supports lung function and health. Incorporating moderate amounts of dark chocolate or cocoa into your diet could, therefore, be a delightful way to contribute to lung detoxification and overall respiratory wellness. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's claim to fame in the realm of health foods largely stems from its active ingredient, curcumin. This vibrant yellow compound not only bestows turmeric with its distinctive color, but also imbues it with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These attributes make turmeric an invaluable addition to a lung detox diet. When ingested, curcumin works to combat the inflammation that can exacerbate respiratory conditions and impair lung function. It's particularly beneficial for those suffering from ailments characterized by chronic inflammation of the airways. Additionally, curcumin aids in the body's defense against oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of various pulmonary diseases. Its antioxidant action helps neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby protecting lung tissues from damage. To harness the full potential of turmeric, consider incorporating it into smoothies, curries, or teas. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it an accessible and effective way to support respiratory health through diet. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which play a critical role in protecting lung tissue from damage caused by pollutants and toxins. These tiny yet mighty fruits help to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two significant factors that can adversely affect lung health. Regular consumption of blueberries may also contribute to the maintenance of pulmonary function and prevention of lung-related diseases. By incorporating these nutritious berries into your diet, you can take a delicious step towards supporting your respiratory system's overall health. 8. Fish. Fish, particularly those high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, play a pivotal role in lung health, especially for individuals dealing with chronic conditions. This nutritional powerhouse doesn't stop there. It also offers protection against lung infections, notably those caused by the bacterium Haemophilus influenzae, which is a significant concern for individuals with compromised respiratory systems. The incorporation of these omega-3 rich fish into one's diet can therefore be seen as a strategic measure to alleviate the symptoms of chronic lung diseases by both minimizing inflammation and fortifying the lungs against bacterial threats. Including these fish in your meals several times a week can be an effective way to harness these health benefits and support your respiratory system's overall function and resilience. 9. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are celebrated for their high vitamin C content, an essential nutrient that plays a pivotal role in bolstering our immune system. This nutritional powerhouse not only enhances the body's ability to combat respiratory infections, but also offers significant antioxidant properties that contribute to lung health. The intake of these vibrant fruits has been linked to a reduction in wheezing symptoms among children and an improvement in pulmonary function and breathing capabilities, particularly in individuals suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. The antioxidants found in citrus fruits further protect the lungs from the damage caused by pollutants and free radicals, reinforcing the respiratory system's defenses against environmental assaults. 10. Onion. Onions, a staple in many households, offer significant benefits for respiratory health due to their rich content of antioxidants and compounds such as quercetin. This component is known for its ability to relax the muscles in the respiratory tract and reduce inflammation, making onions an effective natural remedy for alleviating symptoms of asthma and allergies. Additionally, their antibacterial properties can help fight off respiratory infections, further safeguarding lung health. Incorporating onions into your diet, whether raw or cooked, can provide a boost to your body's defenses against respiratory issues. 11. Yogurt. Yogurt stands out in the dietary world not only for its creamy texture and versatility, but also for its impressive health benefits, particularly for lung health. Rich in essential nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, yogurt contributes significantly to the overall functioning and strength of the respiratory system. The inclusion of yogurt in one's diet may foster an environment conducive to lung health, aiding in the body's natural defense mechanisms against respiratory ailments. Furthermore, yogurt's probiotic content supports the gut-lung axis, a vital communication pathway between the gut and the lungs, which plays a key role in immune responses and inflammation regulation. 12. Pineapple. Pineapple is not only a sweet tropical delight, but also a powerful food for lung health, primarily due to its bromelain content. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, has been extensively studied for its mucus thinning and clearing abilities. This makes it especially beneficial for individuals experiencing conditions characterized by excessive mucus production, such as chronic bronchitis and sinusitis. By helping to break down and expel mucus, bromelain aids in clearing the airways, facilitating easier breathing, and contributing to the overall detoxification of the lungs. Including pineapple in your diet, whether as a fresh fruit snack or blended into a smoothie, can be a tasty and effective way to enhance lung function and promote a healthy respiratory system. Keep in mind, though, we are not doctors, and this information should not be considered as medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only. If you found our video interesting, I invite you to like, subscribe, and check our other videos on health and wellness.